Imagine touching a plant and suddenly, snap. No, this isn't science fiction. This plant actually catches and eats living insects. Meet the Venus flytrap, one of the strangest and most dangerous plants in nature. At first glance, the Venus flytrap looks harmless, just another green plant. But hidden inside its leaves is a deadly trap, designed to capture insects in seconds. And the craziest part, this plant can actually sense movement. Inside the Venus flytrap are tiny trigger hairs. When an insect lands and touches these hairs twice, the trap suddenly snaps shut. Scientists believe this double touch system helps the plant avoid wasting energy on raindrops or random objects. Once trapped, escape becomes almost impossible. After closing, the Venus flytrap slowly seals itself tighter. Then it releases digestive juices to break down the insect's body. Over several days, the plant absorbs nutrients from its prey. Yes, this plant literally digests bugs. Here's something most people don't know. Venus flytraps don't survive by eating insects alone. They still use sunlight like normal plants. Bugs simply give them extra nutrients because they grow in poor soil. And surprisingly, if you trigger the trap too many times without food, the plant can weaken. Many people think Venus flytraps can eat humans. But don't worry, unless you're the size of a fly, you're perfectly safe. In reality, these plants mostly eat flies, spiders, ants, and tiny insects. Still, imagine being a tiny bug and suddenly the ground attacks you. Scientists are still fascinated by the Venus flytrap because it behaves almost like an animal. It reacts, senses movement, and makes decisions. That's what makes this plant one of nature's most incredible creations. So, would you keep a Venus flytrap in your house? Or would it freak you out? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable nature videos. But here's where things get even crazier. The Venus flytrap doesn't close slowly like most plants move. It snaps shut in less than a second. That makes it one of the fastest moving plants on Earth. Imagine being a tiny fly. 1 second you're walking normally, and the next, boom, you're trapped forever. You might think a plant this strange comes from a dangerous jungle, but surprisingly, Venus flytraps naturally grow in only a small part of the world, mainly in North and South Carolina in the United States. They survive in wet, swampy areas, where normal plants struggle to grow. Yes, and people accidentally kill them all the time. One of the biggest mistakes, feeding them random food like meat or snacks. Venus flytraps are designed to eat tiny insects only. Give them the wrong food, and the trap may turn black and die. So if you ever own one, don't try to help it too much. And now the craziest fact of all. Each trap on a Venus flytrap can only close a limited number of times before it dies. That means every snap matters. So the next time you see this plant close, remember it just used some of its precious energy. So, is the Venus flytrap the coolest plant on Earth? If you learned something new today, hit subscribe and tell us in the comments. Would you ever keep a Venus flytrap at home? Subscribe for Qyroxen and more crazy nature videos.